Alright guys, so I actually forgot to start taking a video here. Anyways, this was a local pickup here, about 15 miles from where I live. You can see here we got a piece of farm equipment. It's a grain dryer. It's a Feterl, I'm not quite sure how you say it. It's a model 23090. It's actually pretty lightweight. Estimated weight is about 2,500 pounds. It'll fit nicely on the trailer, as you can see. I've already got it halfway up actually. I was gonna load it forward because it was facing the other way here, but I realized it was actually easy enough to pick the front end up by hand and twist it around since it's so lightweight. And then this way, when I deliver it, if they got a skid loader or something, maybe we can hook something up to the front of it to kind of drag it down. So unloading might be just a little trickier to keep this from going too far off the trailer, but you can see we got the winch set up here. It's dragging it nicely. Alrighty, and we are loaded. I'm going to push it toward the front of the trailer just a little bit more. You can see the guy driving away there with a forklift. Apparently he was going to come help load. Well, it's been probably 10 minutes or so. I didn't realize they were going to send someone back to help load it, so I just started doing it myself, but that's alright. We had the winch and stuff, so easy enough to get this baby loaded. Wasn't too hard. I'm going to take some pictures of this thing, send the pictures to the shipper so they know the condition of it, and then that way everything's all noted and stuff, and I'll get her strapped down and we'll be on our way from Wisconsin to West Virginia. We're in Baldwin, Wisconsin right now, and we're going to be going to Lewisburg, West Virginia. It's going to be right about 1,000 miles, give or take. So we'll see you on the road. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, there we are, all strapped down, ready to go. I might have went just a little overkill on this, but you know, I wanted to make sure it's not going to go anywhere because this thing's kind of awkward to strap down. So you can see we got two chains. They're tight, but you know, they bounce, but that's probably just because they come up so high and then down so low. But we got those crisscross, so there's a force pulling it each way, because otherwise I found if I pull things straight back, what happens is lighter things like this, they'll bounce left or they'll bounce right. So you really need a cross force, either cross like this or say from that wheel, you know, to here, but without having more tie downs on this trailer, it makes it real tricky. So until I can get my hands on a welder, I work with what I got. Normally I don't like to cross over like that, but you know, it works. These are good and tight. And we got these ones here. These are nice and snug. This one's nice and snug. We got this one here nice and snug. This one's wrapping around the input here. We got another smaller one here up to that tie down. This is just a continuation of the other one. So all there we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straps and 2 chains. Once again, probably overkill, but you know, better off safe than sorry. It takes a couple extra minutes just to put some extra straps on just to be safe, you know, rather than not have enough and you're going down the road and something like this comes flying off. It's not going to be a good day. So you know, it's all about safety at the end of the day, and not just that, but also insurance things. You know, if this thing comes flying off the trailer, well, that's my insurance, my responsibility. So it's easier to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. I'm going to get some zip ties and zip tie this thing up. I'm going to make sure the cage isn't going to spin around or something and all that good stuff. So we'll do a final walk around and that'll be it for that. Ooh. And there goes the rest of my tailgate. Oh man. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen one of these days. All right, well, I'm going to fix that real quick or try to get this tailgate closed one more time. I'll have to start looking around for a new tailgate, I guess. Anyway, we'll see you on the road now. Got it delivered to the implement dealer here and off to the customer. He just had me meet out here, so if he had to, he could leave it here for a couple days or whatever until he could get it back to the farm. Since there's enough time in the day, he's just gonna bring it today. There you can see it's on its way to its new home. Delivered safe and sound. Customer was happy. No complaints. Everything was good. No damages or anything to the grain dryer, so that was all good.